Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car, the 2025 Triumph Spitfire, a modern revival of a British classic that has captured the hearts of automotive aficionados for decades. In this comprehensive exploration, we'll journey through the rich history of the original Spitfire, examine the meticulous design and engineering of the 2025 model, delve into its performance capabilities, and consider its impact on the current automotive landscape. So, buckle up as we embark on this thrilling ride. A glimpse into history, the original Triumph Spitfire. The story of the Triumph Spitfire begins in the early 1960s, when the British automotive industry was thriving with innovation and competition. Introduced at the London Motor Show in 1962, the Spitfire was Triumph's answer to the growing demand for affordable, stylish, and spirited sports cars. Designed by the renowned Italian stylist Giovanni Michelotti, the Spitfire boasted sleek lines and a distinctive profile that set it apart from its contemporaries. Built on a modified chassis derived from the Triumph Herald, the Spitfire featured a front engine, rear-wheel drive layout. Its lightweight construction and nimble handling made it a favorite among driving enthusiasts. Over its 18-year production run, the Spitfire saw 5 iterations. 1. Spitfire 4, Mark I, launched in 1962. It featured a 1,147cc inline-4 engine producing 63 horsepower. Its top speed was approximately 92 miles per hour, and it could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 16.4 seconds. 2. Spitfire Mark II, introduced in 1965. This model saw engine improvements that increased power output to 67 horsepower. The top speed remained similar, but acceleration improved slightly. 3. Spitfire Mark III, debuting in 1967, it came equipped with a 1,296cc engine delivering 75 horsepower. This model could reach speeds up to 95 miles per hour and accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 13.4 seconds. 4. Spitfire Mark IV, released in 1970. It maintained the 1,296cc engine but featured a redesigned body and improved suspension. Performance metrics were similar to the Mark III. 5. Spitfire 1500, the final iteration, launched in 1974, housed a 1,493cc engine with 71 horsepower. It achieved a top speed of around 100 miles per hour and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of approximately 12.5 seconds. Throughout its production, the Spitfire was celebrated for its spirited performance, classic British styling, and accessibility, making it a symbol of driving pleasure. The 2025 Triumph Spitfire, a modern classic reimagined. Fast forward to 2025, and Triumph has resurrected the iconic Spitfire, blending its timeless appeal with contemporary technology and design philosophies. This modern incarnation pays homage to its predecessor while catering to the desires of today's discerning drivers. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Spitfire retains the classic Roadster silhouette that made the original a visual icon. Key design elements include sleek body lines. The car features smooth, flowing contours that evoke the elegance of the 1960s model, enhanced by modern aerodynamic considerations. Signature grille, a modern interpretation of the classic front grille, seamlessly integrated with advanced LED headlamps. Convertible top, staying true to its roots, the 2025 Spitfire offers a manually operated soft top, allowing drivers to experience open-air motoring. Wheel design, retro-inspired alloy wheels that harken back to the original's wire-spoke design, now optimized for performance and durability. Performance and engineering. Under the hood, the 2025 Spitfire is a marvel of modern engineering. Powertrain. A turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine delivers an exhilarating 250 horsepower, a significant leap from its ancestors' modest output. Transmission. Enthusiasts can choose between a precise 6-speed manual gearbox or a responsive 8-speed automatic, catering to both purists and those seeking convenience. Chassis and suspension. Constructed with lightweight materials, the chassis ensures agility and responsiveness. The independent suspension system has been finely tuned to provide a balance between comfort and dynamic handling. Braking system, equipped with advanced disc brakes on all 4 corners, featuring ABS and electronic brake force distribution for enhanced safety and control. Interior and technology. The cabin of the 2025 Spitfire masterfully blends classic charm with modern amenities. Dashboard layout, a driver-focused cockpit featuring analog dials complemented by a digital information display, providing essential data at a glance. Infotainment system, a centrally mounted touchscreen offers navigation, entertainment, and connectivity options, seamlessly integrating with smartphones via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Seating and materials. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching provide comfort and support, while brushed aluminium and high-quality plastics adorn the interior surfaces. Climate control. Modern automatic climate control ensures a comfortable environment, regardless of external conditions. Driving experience. The spirit of the open road. The essence of the Spitfire has always been its engaging driving experience, and the 2025 model is no exception. Key aspects include acceleration and speed, with a power-to-weight ratio optimized for performance. The 2025 Spitfire accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5.5 seconds. With a top speed electronically limited to 155 miles per hour. Handling dynamics. The car's balanced weight distribution, responsive steering, and finely tuned suspension make for an exhilarating experience on winding roads and open highways alike. Sound and sensation. The exhaust system has been engineered to produce a satisfying growl, enhancing the sensory connection between driver and machine. Safety and driver assistance. Modern safety features ensure that the 2025 Spitfire offers not only excitement but also peace of mind. Airbag system. Comprehensive coverage includes front, side, and knee airbags for both driver and passenger. Driver assistance. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring aid in preventing accidents and reducing driver fatigue. Structural integrity. The use of high-strength materials and crumple zones enhances occupant protection in the event of a collision. The 2025 Triumph Spitfire. In today's automotive landscape, in an era where electric vehicles and autonomous driving are becoming increasingly prevalent, the 2025 Spitfire stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of the classic sports car. It offers heritage appeal, attracting enthusiasts who appreciate the rich history and legacy of the Triumph brand. Engagement, providing a hands-on, immersive driving experience that contrasts with the growing trend of automated transportation. Exclusivity, with limited production numbers. The 2025 Spitfire is poised to become a sought-after collector's item. Conclusion. A legacy reborn. The 2025 Triumph Spitfire successfully bridges the gap between past and present, delivering a vehicle that honors its storied heritage while embracing modern advancements. For those who cherish the thrill of driving and the allure of classic design, the new Spitfire offers. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.